I'm going to unlist this live stream up on YouTube, folks. It's still going to be available for you to watch up on Rumble, Odyssey, Twitch, or BitChute, or you can keep watching it up on YouTube, folks. But remember, it's going to be unlisted, so if you click off of it, you might not be able to get back onto it. Either way, folks, remember, I'm going to unlist this live stream one last time up on YouTube. Now, remember, anyone who backed my book, Scum Dogs, your copy of your book should basically already be in your hands or in the mail, okay? Now, I'm telling you this because I have a pre-launch page up on Indiegogo for my comic book Scum Dogs. It's called Scum Dogs Second Chance Campaign. Look for it, sign up for it, folks. In a few months, I'll actually start my campaign for it. I'm also going to get pre-launch pages up for it up on Fund My Comic Book and Kickstarter. Look for those pages too.